Choosing between an SUV and a sedan? It's not just about looks. What if I told you the wrong choice could cost you lakhs in the long run? Stick around as we break down the real costs of owning these two popular vehicle types in India. Owning a car isn't just about the sticker price. SUVs and sedans come with their own set of hidden costs, like insurance premiums, fuel expenses, and maintenance. In this video, we'll dive deep into every aspect of ownership so you can make the smartest decision for your budget. Let's start with the initial purchase price. First up, the initial price. SUVs like the Hyundai Creta typically cost 14 to 16 lakh on road, while sedans like the Honda City or Maruti Ciaz are priced between 10 to 12 lakh. That's a difference of up to 4 lakh right at the start. But does spending more on an SUV always mean better value? Keep watching to find out. Let's talk insurance. SUVs usually cost more to insure, about 30,000 annually because of their higher market value and repair costs. Sedans, on the other hand, average 20,000 to 25,000 a year. Over 5 years, that's a savings of 25,000 to 50,000 if you go for a sedan. Maintenance is where things get tricky. SUVs have larger engines and more complex systems, driving up costs to around 50,000 to 60,000 over 5 years. Sedans, being simpler, cost less, around 30,000 to 40,000 for the same period. If long-term expenses matter, the sedan wins here. Fuel costs are where sedans really shine. SUVs like the Creta deliver around 12 to 15 km per litre, but sedans like the Honda City can achieve 15 to 20 km per litre. Over time, this can save you thousands, especially with petrol prices constantly on the rise. But what about resale value? SUVs generally hold their value better thanks to India's growing love for bigger cars. So, while sedans depreciate faster, an SUV might fetch you more when it's time to sell. So, what's the verdict? If you are looking for lower upfront costs, cheaper insurance, and better fuel efficiency, a sedan is the way to go. But if you value road presence, higher resale, and don't mind spending a bit more, the SUV makes sense. Your choice depends on your priorities and lifestyle. Still undecided? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth car comparisons and buying tips. See you in the next video.